Hello guys, today in this video I will show you how to use Notepad as a diary. For it guys, you have to open Notepad. Let me open Notepad. After opening Notepad, you have to type here .log in capital. You have to remember the log should be in capital letters. And then guys, you have to press Ctrl S from your keyboard for saving it and give it file name. I am giving Abhishek dot. You have to give .txt extension and save it on desktop or where you want. After saving it, exit and you can see here the file is, and after opening you can see the date and time here. And let me type here something like so hub channel. Okay guys, I have typed it and let's close it. I close that. After again opening, you can see again a new timing or new date. So like this guys, you can make a diary with the help of Notepad.